I'm setting up Facebook tracking on my new website, jordanrsnow.com, and I need to set up the Facebook pixel to trigger on this page. So I use Google Tag Manager to manage all of my tags, including Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Hotjar, that kind of thing. So Google Tag Manager is already on every page. The problem is I need to set the Facebook pixel to trigger and show as a lead whenever somebody enters in their email address. So this is a thank you page. So whenever somebody hits this page, I want it to trigger in my Facebook ads showing that someone signed up. I need to be able to track this if I'm running Facebook ads. So first thing I need the Facebook pixel, the second piece. So the base piece, which is, I'll show you quickly. This is the base piece of pixel code for Facebook. So you have to install this on every page, which is already done. So I need to create a custom conversion, not a custom conversion, just track a conversion with standard events. Custom conversion is one where you can build them a little bit differently. So I'm just going to use a standard one, and I will use complete registration. So this is the piece of code that I need to copy, this here, and I need to put it in a script tag whenever I put it in Google Tag Manager. So I'll show how to do that. So Google Tag Manager, I need a new tag. So I'll create a new one. So I already have the base tag, as I said, with the Facebook pixel. So this is the secondary piece. So first I have to put this in a script tag, then put the code, then a closing script tag. So that's all a script tag looks like. You can just copy that exactly. Now I'm going to call this Facebook pixel complete registration. Now I need this to fire after the Facebook pixel. So I need the base Facebook pixel to fire first. So under tag sequencing, I need to choose fire a tag before this one fires. If I don't do this, the pixel will not work, so you have to set it up like this. Now, the Facebook pixel, I've already set it up. This is the base one, so I'm going to set that one. Stay here. So now the Facebook pixel will fire before the secondary piece fires, and that's how I want it to go. Now I have to set it for a trigger. I only want this to fire on a certain page, and that certain page is this thank you page that I already mentioned here. So I'm going to copy this, and for the name of this, I'll put thank you page, and we'll enter a little more detail. So you have to choose what makes it trigger. In this case, it's just going to be a page view when someone visits that page. And that's all you need to put in it now. Now if this page loads, it will fire this trigger, and I will be able to track whenever somebody completes a registration. So now I have to save this. Now, before it goes live, you have to publish it. And so I'm going to publish it. Now you can set a name so you can track what you've updated. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to hit publish. So now this should be working, should be live. Let's check if it is. So here's the page originally. You can see that this is called the Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a Chrome add-on you can install, and it's showing 1 right now. So there should be showing 2 once this is set up correctly. Let's refresh it and see if it's working. And so now we have 2. So it is working. Now, if we set up an ad that tracks complete registrations, we can check the results and see how well the ad is performing. If you are spending money on Facebook ads and you're trying to gather emails, you need to set this up beforehand. Otherwise, you don't know which ad your lead is coming from, and you're just not going to get a good set of performing ads.